So the brand referral bonus by Amazon is a program that when you use their attribution links, you're actually gonna get 10% of the sales price back of that product. And so you get a 10% bonus, which is gonna help. So let's just go over what this attribution program is. So how it works. You generate an Amazon attribution tag, you add the tag to a campaign, and you receive a bonus. It's as simple as that. So let me show you how to do that here. So you go into Campaign Manager, you go down to Measurement and Reporting, which is that bar graph over to the left. You click on Amazon Attribution. You then are gonna name it. So we like to name it AA with a number, whatever number we're on. So Amazon Attribution 30, and then just a brief summary of what this is gonna be. So we have a sale going on for our $5 off our tea tree soap, and we're going after a cold audience. So we're probably doing that for a Facebook ad or something, and it could be for a Google ad as well. But so Amazon Attribution AA 30, $5 off tea tree soap cold. And then we're gonna click Add All on this page. Now that is a key part of this, is Add All, because you don't care what product they buy. You're of course trying to get them to buy a specific product, but if they buy any of your products, you wanna get that bonus for it, and you wanna have it be attributed to your sales. So you'll get a 10% back for it, but then you'll also be able to see what other products are being sold from that link as well. After that, you wanna make your ad group. So your ad group, we just name it with whatever URL we're creating. So this is gonna be a direct to product page listing. So we're just gonna call it our Hydrate Tea Tree Oil Soap, Google AdWords search, and then we like to use the canonical URL. We do not use any two steps or black hat URLs in that. That being said, we have used other URLs. So like a add to the cart URL. We've done that with when we've had a BOGO sale going on. So we have a buy one, get one free sale, and we'll put the add to cart URL in this, and then the attribution link will be that add to cart. So therefore, when somebody's clicking that buy one, get one free eyelid cleanser sale link, it just adds to the cart and they get it automatically. But we usually just use the canonical. Now, worth repeating, your ACOS will be much higher for these, but you have to remember that Amazon rewards external traffic with increased organic ranking, and you get 10% back from the sales. And also worth repeating, lower ROAS, lower conversions from Facebook, from Google than you are going to get from Amazon PPC. I have seen Google get up higher and even higher than Amazon PPC sometimes, but the conversion rate is still going to be lower. But again, it's going to increase your organic ranking and you're going to get that reward back. So if you want to see me doing this and look over my shoulder while I'm actually building this out, I have a free audience building course that shows you exactly how I do this. Go to profitablepineapple.com/audience or scan that code. That is my direct email address, so don't be afraid to send me an email if you have any questions regarding this video. But again, profitablepineapple.com/audience. Highly recommend you taking that. It will change your business. It will change your life. I can assure you of that.
Bye-bye. Like this video!
Amazon PPC may seem like a complex subject, but it doesn't have to be, and that is why we created this channel. On top of Amazon PPC, we're going to share different tactics and strategies that we've used to build a multi-million-dollar business, as well as the strategies that we're using to build a $100 million company, which is our goal. We don't know how we're going to get there yet, but that's our goal, and we want to take you along for the ride. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell to be notified whenever we come out with great business building and Amazon PPC strategies.